Hello, good evening guys. So today we're here at the beautiful city of Baguio, and we always bring the BYD Sea Lion 6. So this has been to Baguio for about 4 times na since we got it, and yung full tank nito siguro hindi pa na namin naubos. I think we still have around 200 kilometers of gas left from the original since we bought the car. So nahalo na siya with which we topped up when we went here today. So yan. So up to now, okay pa rin. Everything is okay. Works perfectly fine. Pero of course, low mileage car to. 4,000 kilometers pa lang. So yan, bumili kami ng stuff dito sa Baguio. Malaki-laki naman yung likod. I think this is like a typical size of a crossover, but for the price of 1.5, diba? Sobrang sulit na talaga, and we really love this car actually. Yeah, so we closed it up, and I really like the lights, guys. Yung tuloy-tuloy. It really reminds me of like how mga Audi SUVs look sa likod, ganyan. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Of course, it's not Audi. Of course, yung ilaw sa side mirror, and this mga parang drops of rain design, no? Ang ganda. The lights are good naman, guys. Medium tint naman kami, but siguro next would be, it would be nice kung may fog lights. Yeah, if you got the back, yan guys. So yung ating cover, panoramic cover is open, and I love the pin lights. Yan ang lumalakas sa if you press it, which is cool. And the interior is still nice and fresh until since Andrea got the car, which was I think October of last year, parang ganon, or September of last year. So the seats very maluwag, diba? This is my seat, driving position, which I'm 5'7", and maluwag pa rin. Maraming pang leg room. So of course yung aircon sa likod. Ayan. Ano ba to? Yun. Then of course yung charging port na umiilaw at night, which is nice. And guys, so now we change the light to white. Kasi white naman yung color outside, so it would be nice to have the white interior inside, even the footwells. So that's how it looks at night. Okay, let's go guys to the charging station sa Camp Johnny, yung bago. I'll show you guys. Okay, let's go guys to the charging station sa Camp Johnny. May mga bago na guys. So Manor I think has a DC and a AC na 22 kilowatts. Tapos of course the older one sa may Techno Hub, I think that's a 7 kilowatt. Tapos of course, there's two 22 kilowatt na pupunta natin. That's where we'll charge. But of course, this car can only consume 7 kilowatts. Kasi AC charging lang to. But walang tao kasi dun. So, which is perfect. And I just want to try their new charging station, di ba? So, it's super easy, Evro app. Dali-dali naman gamitin. Tapos of course, may mga, I think there's also a plug share. Plug share, dito. Na charging station also. I think it's in a hotel. Chinek ko lang naman. Yan guys. So we're just driving. So galing tayo Country Club. And yeah, this SL6 has been fantastic guys for, you know, using it for what? Almost half a year? I think half a year na rin. Just entered Camp John Hay. Tapos, yun, daming charging station dito. Sa golf course yan, guys, meron charging station na 7 kilowatt. So, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, I think, in Camp John Hay. Or it could be more, guys, ha? Pero meron dalawa sa country club. So, that's 8 sa pagkakaalam ko. But there could be more. Yan. So, nice to drive around Baguio, especially in this area. Kasi wala naman traffic dito. It's just Camp John Hay. Tapos, yeah, like I said, ang sarap gamitin yung SL6 just because it's really a smooth drive and very comfortable type of car to drive on long trips. And yeah, I think that's why it's so popular kasi nga, you have the, you know, HEV mode and EV mode. EV mode if you're in the city, puro full electric ka. Tapos of course, HEV when you're in the highway. When you're, you know, going back to Manila or wherever you live, diba? Yan. So yun, I'll show you guys sa Manor, meron dalawa yan. Alam ko DC, I just don't know how many kilowatts yung DC nila, and of course the AC. Yan. Yan guys, oh. If you look closely, yan, charge EV there. Ayun, oh. There's dalawa. So you could charge there kung hindi puno. Kasi I'm sure there's also a lot of guests sa Manor that have EV and plug-in hybrids. And just like that, the CL5. And dito naman tayo. So it's just a little bit after Manor. So charge tayo. Mukhang walang tao. Ayun o. Yeah. So dito tayo guys. Dito tayo mag-charge. So, okay. Kuya is there nakabang, is nice enough to, you know, to guide us. So there's always gonna be someone to guide you. And yeah, no. That's Kuya. Okay, diretso lang. Konti pa. A little bit more. Okay, he still wants more. Up. Lagyan natin park. Yan. So charge muna tayo guys. When you use the charger, you're gonna sign also your name. So let's open it up. I wish this has DC pero the battery is too small for DC. Yan, kabit natin. Okay. Plug it in. Then let's use the Evro app. Okay guys, so now we're charging. So this is a 22 kilowatt guys. So after Manor, just basically what, a few meters away. So there's another SL6 dito, also charging. So mahina lang signal guys ha. So keep on trying. Maisip mo sometimes hindi gumagana, just keep on trying, sliding it. Siguro mga 5 minutes it took me a while kasi mahina ang LTE dito. So, yun. So, now we're charging. Yan. So, I'll charge it up to 80%. So, 2 hours. Dito lang ako. I'll hang out. So, yan. Nag-charge yan sila. So, magtataka siguro sila bakit hindi gumagana. It's because the LTE is mahina. Yun lang naman yun. So, yan. So, we're gonna wait here and hang out, watch Netflix. And I'll see you guys in a bit. It's around 246 pesos from 38 to 85%. So, I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, so we're just charging. And I guess I'll sit in the front. The nice thing with plugins or EVs is you could hang out, diba? So, when I get the Tesla, I'm gonna go to Manor to charge kasi may DC fast charging doon. And I think Country Club also has, guys, DC fast charging. Yan. So, what I do dito pala is let's on my hotspot muna. Guys, so basically, in-on ko lang yung hotspot ko sa phone and we could, habang naghihintay tayo, we could watch YouTube, right? Kasi a lot of people I know who have EVs and plug-in hybrids. Sometimes they wait in the car just, you know, just because if wala naman silang gagawin sa mall or, you know, in a charging area, at least kapag okay na yung charging na, they go na. Para hindi, you know, kasi sometimes if you're in the mall, some people tend to park their car na lang there. And kawawa naman yung iba that won't be able to charge their car and they're waiting, diba? So, I think it's best if you're not gonna go anywhere naman, just stay in the car, charge your car for like, I don't know, 30 minutes to an hour, depends on you. And when you're satisfied, leave na. And transfer your car to, you know, another spot. Para, you know, I think it's etiquette lang naman yan, guys. So you could park, so other people can charge your car, diba? Hindi tayo nag-aagaw ng charging spots. Yan guys, so panagayin tayo, manood muna tayo ng Lakers. And so the other person, siguro hindi natiis, umalis na lang. They're gonna charge in better signal kasi doon sa may sa Techno Hub guys, sa Camp Johnny, it has a better signal. Or the one in the golf course, that's a 7 kilowatt. So I just wanted to try this. It's kind of useless to pay extra kasi 22 kilowatts. But it's okay. I like the spot. Tahimik lang. I think a lot of people don't charge her because yun the signal is mahina talaga. But patience lang kailangan guys. There's 2 spots here. So if you have a EV or a plug-in hybrid, then it's perfect. And the SL6 has been perfect guys for us. No problems at all. The only issue talaga, I think I mentioned it before, is the tires. The grip is not good, especially on wet roads, especially going uphill. Medyo nadudulas talaga siya, no traction. So, if it affects you that much and you go uphill a lot, or even downhill, maybe it's best to get better EV tires. There's Hankook is good, not too expensive. Of course, Michelin, mahal, Goodyear, you know, Dunlop. But Hankook is good na guys, kung you don't want to spend too much. Of course, Michelin. It really depends on your budget. But these tires are really good just for comfort and for city driving, but not really for spirited driving or even, you know, uphill. Pag umulan talaga, yung traction, it loses traction quickly, guys. Kasi nga, this car is pretty powerful in terms of torque and horsepower, especially the torque. So I think the tires cannot keep up with the torque of the car. Yeah. And guys, so just charging and enjoying, just hanging out here. And yeah, the good thing you could just on your aircon. So I'll see you in like an hour and 30 minutes.
Yeah. All I ever wanted was $10 million cash quick. Yeah. All I ever wanted was $10 million cash quick. Throw it on the floor cause I'm a bad cabbage. I like a that be cashing. He gon' spend it all cause I ain't average. All I ever wanted was the moon and the stars. Switch
Guys, I get a lot of look and stares when you know you're charging a car in Kamjani. You see a lot of people are curious kasi though it's popular in Manila, maybe in the province it's not as popular, especially for people in the States. They don't get Chinese cars. So you know, so they're just looking, checking the car out. Kasi nga, it's not really common. I think in Baguio, there are some that have BYDs. I haven't seen a lot of Teslas yet. But I've seen a lot some Camp Johnny, sorry, sa Baguio Country Club, Tesla Y. Tesla Model 3 parang one time lang. Yung rear wheel drive yung nakita ko. But I haven't seen a lot of 3s. BYDs marami na visiting siguro from Manila or wherever. Marami talaga sila yung 6, sila yung 5. BYD Shark. I even saw VinFast VF3 guys. Na papakita ko yung pink. Nag-park dito sa diba? VF3 diba yung range siya maiksi lang pero I'm sure if you know the routes and where the charging stations are, abot ka ng Baguio with no problems. Yan guys. So yan, we're almost, 10% alis na ako. Pag 80% I'll go na. Okay. Guys, na-discover ko lang, oh. Andrea, show me, babe.
Sige, bright.
So, pag nag-bright ako, ayun, oh. Tapos, pag pinark ko, then sa brake light, sige, from the back, babe. Magbe-brake ako. Diba? Magbe-brake ako. Kanang galing
Okay, let's see
naman
the
yan.
other angles.
Ayan, oh. So, the reason for that, kasi ang galing, oh, guys, kasi of course, yung dito naka-park na yun, nasa gutter, baka tamaan ko. Yung kita-kita, oh.
Yeah, this one naman,
Ayun, sa ilalim to.
if you wanna see
If there's
what's-
a cat
sorry, the ilalim.
or a stone. Galing, guys. Ngayon ko lang imagine
that's
we...
3D.
Ayan.
You have to press the 3D.
Yeah. So for that, di ba? For the quality of the cam, for this price,
Very
galing. Galing talaga. Anyway, just sharing, guys.
Okay.
Open the door. Ang galing. Pero yung tao, wala.
Wala.
Pero galing, guys.
I don't wanna take it too far. Coke bottle frame, you see how that fit. Got good brain, but I'm classless. All these that they want a bad, but they can't really handle what a bad do. All eyes when she walk in the room. Got a looking like, who is you? Can't no walk a mile in my shoes. Keep it guessing like he's Steve on Blue's Clues. Get up and I get it right back. You know I got it like that. Throwing fits, make us spend a few racks. He got me his little brat. All I ever wanted was $10 million cash quick. Throw it on the floor cause I'm a bad cabbage. I like a that be cashing. He gon' spend it all cause I ain't average. All I ever wanted was the moon and the stars. Switch like these switching cars. Told him, baby, look, you f***ing with a star. I don't wanna take it too far. I don't wanna take it too far. All I ever wanted was $10 million cash quick. Throw it.